A lifted truck is a better truck. Let's just go with that logic for a moment and therefore rejoice at the news that you can now get the Nissan Titan and Nissan Titan XT with a factory-authorized suspension lift kit. Developed by Icon Vehicle Dynamics and available on crew cab 4x4 models, it can lift the truck up to 3 inches by way of adjustable height coilover shocks, custom rod end bearings and special delta joints. Given the standard ground clearance of various crew cab Titan trim levels, you'd be looking at clearance of between 11 and 13.6 inches with the lift kit. Nissan points out that no cutting or drilling is required. One of the appealing aspects of this lift kit is that it is approved by Nissan. It will be available through Nissan dealers, can be installed at a dealer, and it won't affect your factory warranty. Nissan estimates the installation at a dealer would take about 4 hours. It's completely bolt-on, and Nissan says that it could be easily installed and then removed for leased vehicles. And the suspension itself is warranted by Icon.